Career Services has been amazing. They've helped me with resumes, writing cover letters, helping get my LinkedIn and Handshake profile together.
They also help you with like interviewing skills.
Use their computers, their printer, fun, friendly atmosphere.
I could never understand why people used Career Services. And now that I've actually used them, it's such an eye-opener. I've written resumes, but it's been a long time.
I just made an appointment with them and I met with one of them and we just go over my resume.
I got to sit there and go through and fix things as we were, meeting and talking.
She was just really focused on me and focused on what I needed to accomplish. She didn't make me feel rushed.
There's a whole bunch of examples of resumes and cover letters, and she went over that with me. The Career Services Handbook.
I have a tight schedule with my job right now, and so it's nice to be able to just drop in when it worked for me.
And if you graduate and come back and you want to change careers, they help you, same thing. So you basically like family to them.
Once I get my sales degree, I'm probably going to meet with them again to look at more real estate jobs.
And once I'm actually ready to start applying for jobs in my degree, I'm definitely coming back. I'm going to come meet with somebody at Western.
They are absolutely wonderful, and I really recommend everybody to use them. It exceeded my expectations.
They have been amazing.
So definitely go to Career Services.